Assalamu alaikum my friends. I hope you all are fine. Today I have bring a quick tutorial for all of you. It's a very nice tutorial for those friends who use mobile and who are very fond of the mobiles. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you about the one website. By this website you can download the nice pictures, great themes and latest ringtones and many more. So let's start with the name of Allah. Select your browser, type here z.com. The spelling is ZEDGA, z.com. It's a very great website, a lot of fun. Click on downloads. From here you can get whatever you want, just like themes. If you want themes, ringtones, wallpapers, taxes and other many more. First comes on the wallpapers. I have select here the wallpapers and I'm gonna type here love. Enter. Select your brand and select the model, whatever you have. Select the phone. The love pictures has come. The page is here. I'm gonna come on the themes. Select the themes. Type here any keyword whatever you have. Just like alone. Enter. Just select on the ringtones here, ringtones. Type here the latest ringtones name or that ringtones name which you need. I'm gonna write here Terry Mary piano. I prefer the piano tune. Okay, first you can play here. If you like this tune, so stop and click here on get ringtones. Or if you don't like this ringtone, so just select any other ringtone, play and listen, and then just get ringtone from here. How can you get ringtone from here? Just like click on it. Okay, and click on PC download. Now click start download. And then close. Your ringtone has been downloaded. And now image, wallpapers. Just type here I love you. Enter. Okay, and I like this one. So click on this wallpaper. Okay, view full size. If you want to view full size, here. Okay, if you don't want to view full size, you just directly click on PC download and start download. Your picture has been downloaded here. Close, and again go to the back page, or if you want any other thing, so you can download from here. This, and if you need the games, come here and just click on games. So it will give you the free applications and the games community. Okay, home again. So like this, you can get your pictures, themes, ringtones by your own wishes. I hope so you really like this. If you like, so just comment on this tutorial. Inshallah, I will be back for a new and the better tutorial for all of you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.